Number better fine a bit me first so create abstract backgrounds bit say simple cry I will Photoshop mo so I deny. Until send then that ID can we share my channel here. Message say obe like video we now subscribe it to channel. Now I share video we are now comment it so I deny. But just a share video we so TikTok and message say obe follow account no na. Or like video we now post video we now. Share so I don't know into no and kwana mention send your bit make creative bit say so why simple cry into no I could drag give me image no a bit so I don't know into image na me use ni so why but you bit me use image be ama sa tutorial bit me use image be ama sa bit me use image be so I image will be to be a bay juma so I don't know. Into no media image we have been say the first step is say be unlock background layer so I don't know. Unlock layer now I convert to smart object so I then convert to smart object and I buy a filter so I should share blur now I call Gaussian blur so I don't know. It's a Gaussian blend be say. So a Gaussian blend radius no you the baby to say 20. And the blend radius number to 25.0 so I don't know. And you say I name okay. So it's a first step. The second step is say a adjustment layer. Add a gradient map so I don't know. It's maybe say now benya so when you be say like we so na best select gradient color be bit me about pinks now I select pink color be out so bit me select color be out so it's me use color so I don't know use color into bit me select color be out or gradient no there be farmer on now we use and I said there will be now we use so I don't know. It's me say you make me okay so it's me okay say a third step ni say be adjustment layer so now be add curves so into curves never make sure say be creative points which say make creative points be what I say so now my train but down be say I mean they are saying na top I'm a train saying na but down so I don't know you bet me a copy me settings and send a mail so so when I bit say so into when I bit say you bet me a copy settings na my I say so and some quiet curves build so and quiet adjustment layer and then some cost select here curves so at this time around let's wait me a copy settings now so that time we made the bit say so I made major settings and say so I don't know. Now my best select me image layer so now me the noise effect account so I open on the background open giant so I don't know into makeup filter now my share noise. I share noise and now I add noise. So I bit say a major amount now to 9.16 so I don't know simple cry. Subscribe to channel, like video and share so I don't know. I'll show TikTok so I'll bet me a comment now I like video so I don't know. But just yes area message welcome YouTube channel now I subscribe for more videos so now I like videos so I don't know. So I don't know it's near big group layers now. So my big group layers now I cover a text about so I don't know. It's my cover me text about. simple cry, creative effect, a creative background effect, so abstract background. Until bit me apply some techniques where my background be a person creative, so I deny. So background will bit me the design simply, so I'm using me that shit. So I for fair, so I deny. So I deny. Anything I'm say subscribe to my channel, like a video, not share. Subscribe to my channel, like a video, not share. Don't want deny me. That's so I share video. No, I'm on a baby. So I bye bye.